Hello everyone, a hearty welcome to new session. Children, today again we are going to have some fun with numbers. We have already learned number 1 and 2, right? And today we are going to learn 2 more new numbers. So can you please tell me which number comes after number 2? Yes, number 3. So let's see how does the number 3 look like. This is number 3. Children, please repeat after me. This is number 3. And can you see the picture over here? These are strawberries. How many strawberries are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. Once again. 1, 2, 3. So there are 3 strawberries. This is number 3 and there are 3 strawberries. Now let's do the air tracing. For that we need to join these 2 fingers. So start from top. Then draw number 3 in the air. Okay, so start from top. Draw a curve to the right side from top to middle. Then another curve or half a circle to the right side from middle to bottom. Once again, start from top. Then draw 2 curves or half a circle to the right side. So start from top to middle, then draw 1 more curve from middle to bottom to the right side. So this is the formation of number 3. Now look at the board. I am going to show you how to write number 3. To write number 3, we have to give 3 dots over here. Like this. Then start from top dot. Then draw 2 curves to the right side. Start 1 curve to the right side from top to middle. Then another curve from middle to bottom to the right side. Half a circle, half a circle. Half a circle, half a circle. Half a circle, half a circle. To make the number 3. Yes, this is number 3. And now I am going to show you some pictures and objects. So children, please count along with ma'am. Look, what are these? These are balloons. So let's count how many balloons are there. 1, 2, 3. So there are 3 balloons. This is number 3 and there are 3 balloons. Now look at over here. What are these? These are pens. So let's count how many pens are there. 1, 2, 3. So this is number 3 and there are 3 pens, right? And now we are going to do some action according to the numbers. So are you ready to play the game, action game? Yes? So let's start. So first we have to do the clapping. How many times? 3 times because this is number 3. So let's start. 1, 2, 3. Very good. The next action is snap your fingers. 1, 2, 3. Very good. So it's all about number 3. Now children, tell me which number comes after number 3? Yes, number 4. So let's see how does the number 4 look like. This is number 4. Which number? Number 4. Children, please repeat after me. This is number 4. And these are apples. So let's see how many apples are there. Please count. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 4 apples. This is number 4. And how many apples are there? 4 apples. And now again it's time to do the formation. It's time to do the formation. It's time to do the formation. For that, please show me these 2 fingers. Start from top. Then draw a slanting line. Little bit slanting. Slanting line. Then draw a slipping line from left to right side. Then draw one standing line to the right side. Again. Draw a slanting line, then slipping line, then standing line. So this is the formation of number 4. Now look at the board. How to write number 4? Children, please pay attention and keep watching. Start from top. First, I have to give 2 dots like this. Then start from top dot and draw a slanting line. Then draw a slipping line from left side to right side. Then draw a standing line to the right side. So this is the formation of number 4. Slanting, slipping, standing line. Slanting, slipping, standing line. Slanting, slipping, standing line to make the number 4. Yes, this is number 4. Now look over here. What are these? These are smileys. So let's count. How many smileys are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many smileys are there? 4 smileys are there. This is number 4 and there are 4 smileys. And now I am going to show you some colorful bangles. So let's count. How many bangles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many bangles are there? 4 bangles. There are 4 bangles. So this is number 4 and there are 4 smileys and 4 bangles. Right? So now again we will have some fun with action game. Right? So let's begin. So this is number 4. So we have to clap how many times? 4 times. Right? So let's begin. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. Now next action is snap your fingers. How many times? 4 times. Right? So let's begin. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. Great job. So this is number 4 and it's all about number 4. So children, today we have learned about number 3 and 4. We have learned number 3 and 4. Children, please repeat after me. This is number 3 and 4. Children, now we are going to do an amazing activity. Look at over here. There are some jars and every jar is labeled with a specific number. And we all know very well that each number has its own specific value. So I have some cookies over here. Now what we have to do in this activity? We have to put the cookies inside this jar according to the number. Okay, so let's begin. Look at the first jar. Which number is this? Number 1. So we have to put how many cookies over here? Only one cookie. So this is number 1 and there is one cookie. Now look at the second jar. Which number is this? Yes, number 2. So what we have to do? How many cookies we have to paste it over here? Yes, only 2 cookies. So let's paste 1, 2. So this is number 2 and there are 2 cookies. Now look at the next jar. Which number is this? Number 3. So we have to paste how many cookies over here? Yes, only 3 cookies, right? So let's paste 1, 2, 3. Now look at the next jar. Which number is this? This is 4. So we have to paste how many cookies over here? Yes, only 4 cookies. So let's paste 1, 2, 3, 4. Done. So children, I hope you all loved it, right? So children, you can explore yourself through various math activities. In this way, your problem solving skills, your logical thinking will be developed. So keep exploring, keep learning, keep practicing. That's all for today. Thank you.